Hey everyone, welcome back to Technical Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fully customize Windows 11 with a clean blur effect, just like macOS or modern glass-style themes. We'll use some free and safe tools like Windhawk, Rainmeter, Monterey Theme, Robik Skin, and Nexus Dock. So, let's get started and make your Windows look amazing. First, right-click on the desktop and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Then, go to Taskbar Settings. Disable Task View, Widgets, and Chat. Also, hide the search box. Scroll down and set Taskbar alignment to center. Then go back. Now, I'm setting my downloaded wallpaper as the desktop background. It already looks cleaner and minimal. Open your browser and search for Windhawk. Click on the first link and hit the download button. Once downloaded, install it normally. Now open Windhawk. Go to the Explore section. Click on Windows 11 Taskbar Styler and press Install. A pop-up will appear. Click Accept Risk and install. Don't worry, it's completely safe. Once it's installed, open Settings Theme, and select Translucent Taskbar. Click Save Settings. Now you can see the taskbar is transparent. Looks awesome. Go back to Explore again. Find Windows 11 Start Menu Styler, click Details, and install it the same way. Click Accept Risk and install. Then open Settings Theme, and select Translucent Start Menu. Save it. Now the Start menu also has that smooth blur effect. Go back to Explore again. Search for Windows 11 Notification Center Styler and open Details. Install it and click Accept Risk and install. Now go to Settings Theme, select Translucent Shell, and save it. You'll notice the Notification Center is now transparent too. Next, open your browser and search for Rainmeter. Click the first link and download it. Then, search Monterey Rainmeter GitHub. Click on the first link, scroll down to Releases, and download the first file from Assets. Now, open a new tab and search for Robik Rainmeter. Go to the first link, scroll down, and click the download button. After downloading all files, open File Explorer and install Rainmeter. Unload all default skins. Then install Robik Rainmeter. unload the default skins again. finally install Monterey Rainmeter. Now turn on weather, music, and volume widgets. Set them neatly in one corner. Under Appearance, set widget size to 55 and widget padding to 5. Then close the app. Now I'm setting the accent color for my windows. Once done, close the settings. Open Chrome again and search for WindStep Nexus. Click the first link and choose Download Free Version. After it's downloaded, close the browser and open File Explorer. Extract the Nexus file and install it. When asked for screen position, select left screen edge. Right-click the dock, choose Preferences Position, and set Offset Dock from screen to 10. Click OK. Next, go to Preferences Appearance Dock Transparency. Set transparency to 93%. Click OK, and then Apply. Remove the icons you don't need by right-clicking and selecting Remove from Dock. Make sure to uncheck Display Confirmation dialog before deleting. Then click Yes. Now, open File Explorer Desktop, and drag your favorite apps into the dock. Right-click on the dock again. Go to Effects Mouse over Effect, and choose your favorite animation. Click OK. Then go to Launch Effect, pick one you like, and click OK again. Your dock is now complete and beautiful. And that's it. Your Windows 11 now looks clean, modern, and full of blur effects. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Technical Solution for more amazing PC customization and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.